Hi, Sue here, tenacious bitch. Doesn't everything break right when you need it? Yeah, so today's saga is about how I'm preparing a Sunday roast. Yes, this tenacious bitch can cook too. Her husband, Hugh, was the best at it. And he taught me how to investigate on Google for the latest and greatest new recipes to try different things. And so here's my chicken. Here's a butter, garlic, salt, pepper, and fresh basil chopped up rub I'm gonna put in underneath the skin, Martha Stewart style. And then on top of the skin and inside the cavity with a whole lemon that I have to borrow from my neighbor because else, this is all I got left. I need a whole lemon. Oh yeah, you see the tools, yeah, because I can't see well. So I go to turn on the surface light. Damn it! The light flashes out right when I need it. And this tenacious bitch, honest God, this is why I don't get anything done. Because as soon as that light went out, you know what that meant? Well, this tenacious bitch is gonna fix that before her family gets here. Mostly because she wants her family to know that she needs their company and their companionship and their love and their support. But she doesn't need them to come over here and fix everything for her. God, I don't want to be that needy, inconvenient mother or mother-in-law. Somebody's got to come over and do everything for her. Ugh, I just don't want to do that. Now, the problem with that, the downside with that is sometimes I don't call them when I really should. Like, yeah, don't climb ladders. Although I think yesterday I was on one. Oops, shh, don't tell anybody. Oh, I posted that to YouTube. Well, that ship has sailed. So, I gathered my tools. I think I'm going to need a Phillips screwdriver. And you can see here, oh God, that light needs cleaning. Yeah, it needs a Phillips screw. It's the light bulb in here. And I got to figure out, what kind of bulb it needs. And then I'm sure I don't have one on hand. But hey, hell's bells, I might. Or it might mean a run to Home Depot looking like this. So I'm going to unscrew that and we'll see what we find. So I don't know how many parts there's going to be to this video, but for sure there's going to be more than one. Oh, and I have no idea if I'm going to be successful at this. And, oh yeah, here's the other thing. Where is that microwave plugged in? So you see me walking across my kitchen. But here's one of my favorite things. Look at that. It is a step and fetch it stool. Look at that with a little handle so that it's just hip height so I can step on it and do this. Because somewhere up in here, oh yeah, there it is, the plug to her microwave. And you don't mess with anything while it's plugged in because hell's bells, they're pretty powerful. Although that looks like a regular outlet, but still, you could kill yourself doing that. So, watch. As a tenacious bitch unplugs it. There we go. She better remember that she unplugged it because then she's gonna go try to use the microwave and she's gonna forget she did that. Damn it! The microwave is broken now! How do I fix that? Oh yeah, there'll be an upcoming video. And then somebody will say, hey, did you remember to check to see if it was plugged in, Sue? Anyways, so if this, I think that's the timer to my, yes, I'm multitasking, to my pumpkin bread, my 4 loaves that I'm making, because I owe everybody a loaf, like Miles and Rob who came and helped me trailer my boat, and my next door neighbors who take care of me all the time. Oh, and my grandson, because it's his favorite thing. I better check that. I have a toothpick for that. So, until next time, Tenacious Bitch Sue signing out. I think she's gonna check that pumpkin bread first, and then she's gonna unplug this, and then she'll be back, and she'll give you a report on the pumpkin bread. Oh, and on her chicken too. I have had reports that it is perhaps the best roast chicken that my friend, my new sidekick Ken, has ever had. Now I'm trying it on my family. Okay, see you later. Bitch Sue is back. Here is the bulb. She might indeed have one of these in her basement. It's something that Home Depot sells. I don't know what kind it is, but you can fit it up. I might have to go take a trip to Home Depot. I don't want to say that the underside of my microwave was kind of filthy, but I had to use the other flathead screwdriver to pry that thing down. There was enough dirt and grime. Oops, another thing I got to do. So here it is. I got this down. Oh, and I put my screw in the spoon holder so that I won't lose that. So just going to go hunt for this one. It's just a simple matter of plugging it into that little hole in there, and we'll be good to go. So I'll let you know how it turns out. Ooh, the drama continues. Oh, and don't forget, if this tenacious bitch can do it, you can do it too. Oh, and the pumpkin bread's not done yet. It's just a little soft. We'll let you know how that goes. Oh, and the chicken's not done yet, but it will be by the time I am done with this. Talk to you later. Bye. I might even look better. So here's tenacious bitch. Well, yeah, you gotta go to Home Depot to find the correct bulb. It's gonna be the pin's gonna be the right distance apart, and the power's gonna be the right size. And frankly, I try to keep cards of the correct bulb on hand, and I'm gonna start writing their names on them, what they are, because I don't know. There's so many different kinds. There's landscaping, there's under cabinet lighting, and you know what? I should just be writing down what the bulbs are for, so that when I go looking for them, oh yeah, here's the one I need for the under the cabinet, and this is what I need for landscaping, and likewise. Anyways, I also have been cooking my pumpkin breads on convection bake for the first time. And they talked about shortening the bake time and stuff like that. And actually, so far, it's about the same time. But actually, instead of adding five, it's cooking in the regular amount of time at 30 minutes at 325 and looks like 30 minutes at 300. So 3 of the 4 are done. The toothpick came out clean. One more's got 2 minutes left to go on it. And then I got the timer on for 12 minutes, so I know when to dump these out of their pans, and they are going to be gifts for people. Oh, and here's my chicken. I'm not going to show you the gory details like Martha Stewart does, but you got to kind of take all your rings off. And then you got to run your fingers through between the skin and the meat. And then I rub that butter mixture, which is butter, garlic, fresh chopped basil, and fresh ground. You can see my grinder, salt and pepper together. And I put some inside the cavity, under the skin, under the legs, under the skin, all the way up to here on the, oh, there's my last 2 minutes for my pumpkin bread. Let's see how that works. And then I will bake, this is a little popper in it, so I had to be careful. I made sure that I put that back in place. That's gonna go in the oven in another hour and a half or so. So I got time to go to Home Depot and do this stuff. So now I'm gonna check on my my pumpkin bread. I'm not gonna how to label this this video, but I'm gonna shut that up. So here we go. You see the previous. Well, that's done enough. My grandson will love it. So I'll let you see what they look like when they're out on their foil later. But Tenacious bitch got lots to do. Talk to you later. Oh, we're having roasted root vegetables and mashed potatoes, because you know what? Nothing goes good with gravy like mashed potatoes does. And man, the gravy on this chicken is just awesome. Oh, so just remember, if this Tenacious bitch can do it, I just canceled my oven because it's done, then you can do it too. Until next time, signing out. Here I am. Here's the new bulb. Here's the slot that it goes in. And I don't know if it works yet because it's unplugged, but here is the type of bulb that I bought. This is the type of bulb that I bought. And this is where the information is, you know, so that you can figure out what kind you're supposed to use. So I will let you know after I plug in how it works. Hi, Sue here, Tenacious bitch. Looking a little better, but I forgot to show you what the chicken looks like. And now you don't want to see what it's looked like because it's in here now. The family's eating it all. The pumpkin breads have been dispersed. Here's Tommy's. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious? It's kind of hard to see in the dark. Ooh, all the pumpkin spice and all that. It's really delicious. And I also made Bridget's apple crisp. Yeah, that's my daughter's very own recipe. So oh, do you notice? Look at that. The light she be on. And I couldn't get anything to work until I set the clock on this thing. So in case you think, what? I didn't plug it in, it's not working. No, you gotta set the clock first. So now, since I've done all that, I've got the vanilla coasting on the counter, waiting for the apple crisp, and now the cook is getting this. Yep, an old-fashioned in a mason jar, because she's not driving anywhere. Oh, nothing like a Maker's Mark. Old-fashioned. Yum! So, here's to all the tenacious bitches in the world. That's good. So, until next time, Tenacious Bitch signing out. And remember, if she can do it, you can do it too. So until next time, bye-bye.